sip way too much drink. I don't think I can think. I won't tell you no.
YouTube, it's TT Logan and I'm back today with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a full face makeup tutorial. I think I'm going to do a brown chocolate smoky eye with brown. Yeah, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and pin bite this hair. So I'm going to be working out of my 35R palette because it have like the most brown shades in here. I'm going to start out with this lightest brown shade right here in the center. So I'm going to put that above my crease and then mesh the highlight with it to kind of blend that out. So for my second shade, I'm going to go to this kind of burnt brown color right here. It's going to be pretty simple today. So I'm putting this color slightly below the first transition and closer to my crease, but like not all the way to the crease. Now using the same brush but going slightly below that color, I'm going to go into this color to the left of that. So now I'm going to use a brush that's a little less fluffy than that. And I'm going to use the color down to the bottom of the other color that we used, which was this here. So now I'm going to go into the bottom shade to the left. This is going right in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take a lid brush and I'm going to use this shade all the way to the left, and then I'm going to use the shade to the middle before the shimmers. It's the fourth shade over. So mixing those two colors, I'm going to put that all over the lid. Corner, I'm going to use this pretty gold shade right here out of that same palette. So for glitter, I'm going to be using my Nude glitter stack by Ambrisia Cosmetics. They are a Caribbean brand out of Trinidad. I freaking love this glitter, y'all. It's so pretty. But anyway, I'm going to be using this bottom shade. It's a chocolate brown color. So I'm going to put some regular eyelash glue on my eyelid. I'm going to use these big lashes by Kiss. So I think I want to make my inner corner a little bit brighter. So I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on the back of my hand and just reapply that. And I think I'm going to switch to Melon because I just, I promise I just can't get enough. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go back into that color that we put on the color that I used for my eyelid, and I'm gonna mix those two again with that same second brush and just go over the edges. Kind of clean up the glitter. So I just went ahead and concealed and everything so we can go ahead and get right into foundation. I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs foundation again, the Shameless, and I'm going to give it another try and see how it does today. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and just work slowly to see if I have a change. Okay, so I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little bit at a time because this foundation dries so fast, y'all. If you didn't see my first review on this foundation, be sure to go check that out. It's on my page. Not on my page, y'all. It's on my channel. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. So I guess I just have to work in sections when it comes to this foundation, which is a little irritating, but you know, that's what has to be done. I noticed when I played back the video, the review on this, that it was kind of patchy on my forehead. So that's why I say I'm gonna have to work in section because it dries so fast. Shade down here in the corner. Just the way this powder, using my J. Oglesby pressed powder in dark. So I'm just going to highlight again with my Melon pigment. I'm going to use this blush by Nars. It's called Goloue. So I'm going to use my Cocoa Lip Liner by Nika K. Lingerie liquid lipstick in Baby Doll. I'm going to use 2 lip glosses by MAC, Oyster Girl, and Nymphette. So I use the liquid lipstick because I like the color. But today I'm going for a gloss. And these are my 2 favorite MAC lip glosses, by the way. So that's the end of this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And hit your notification bell so you never miss a video upload from me. And don't forget, tell your friends to become my friends so that we can all be friends. And also, I want to try to get, right now I have like 22 subscribers. I want to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the month. So everybody help me out with that. I gladly appreciate it.
Who you think you're talking to?